Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bonnet TV. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, both new and old. You guys are so amazing and wonderful. Thank you so much for your support. Always, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare this delicious and spicy turkey wings, and I will be showing you all the method that I use to prepare this. So if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful and inviting talking wings, please keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe to my channel, you have nothing to lose but a lot to gain, a lot of amazing and delicious recipe. So these are the list of my ingredients to prepare these turkey wings. I have my rosemary, spring onion, Scotch bonnet, bell peppers, onion, and I have my spices here, which is paprika, black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, turmeric, curry, dried thyme, bay leaf, white pepper, and nutmeg. Here I have onion and Scotch bonnet paste. It is optional. You can use chopped onion to season your turkey. I have my salt and my fresh turkey wings here already cleaned, and I also have oil to fry. So the next thing I will be doing is to season the turkey wings by adding salt, my seasoning cube. I'm using chicken flavor, and I will also be adding all the spices which I've already mentioned earlier. You don't have to use all these spices to season your meat. You can use pepper, seasoning cube, and onion with salt to season your turkey or your chicken. I just love to add enough spices, enough seasoning to my meat whenever I am boiling it or I want to season it. So I will go ahead and use my hand to mix this together so that the seasoning can absorb into the turkey. And I'll go ahead and add the rosemary. I'm not going to boil this immediately. I'm going to leave it to marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes before I will turn on my gas cooker. While that is still marinating, I will go ahead by preparing my pepper. Right now I'm chopping the spring onion. This is optional. I just need to use it to garnish my turkey. I also go ahead and chop my onion. So I'll also go ahead and cut the bell pepper. I'll be cutting this into small sizes in order to help my food processor to blend this. You can use tomatoes to prepare this. You can mix these bell peppers with tomatoes if you want to, but I don't like using tomatoes to do this. I just love using only bell pepper because I love the flavor it gives my sauce or my stew or my food. Here I finished chopping everything. Right now, after 30 minutes, I've come back to check my turkey and turn on my cooker. So this is the bell pepper with onion and Scotch bonnet. I will go ahead and roughly blend this together. At this stage, I will be adding a little bit of water to the turkey. I love to first boil my meat for some minutes before adding water. So 20 minutes later, the turkey is ready. So I will be taking this out of the pot and I will be transferring this to my oven rack. I will be using my oven to grill this. You can fry it if you want to, but trust me, using oven is the best. Honestly, is the best. I don't like frying my meat or chicken or turkey, but I prefer using oven, and I believe it's more healthier than fried one. So I will take this to the oven and grill for about 40 minutes. You can also check out my other recipes as well. So while the turkey is still in the oven, I will go ahead by preparing the pepper sauce. I'll go ahead add oil to my fry pan, then add my chopped onion, stirred for about 2 minutes. Then I'll add the blended peppers with onion. Once I finish adding the peppers to the onion, I will go ahead and stir this and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, and I will go ahead and add salt and my chicken stock powder. If you have turkey stock powder, please feel free to use it. And if you we also like to add more spices like curry, thyme and bay leaf to your sauce, you can do it to your stew, you can do it, but I will not be adding that to mine because I don't really like adding curry powder with thyme to my stew. I've already used that to season the turkey while boiling it, so I will be using the turkey stock instead of adding thyme and curry powder. Here my turkey is out of the oven. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful and delicious. So at this stage, I will go ahead by adding the turkey wings to the stew. and I will make sure I coat the wings with the pepper stew that are already fried. This is the best way to enjoy your chicken or your turkey. I love turkey wings more than other part of turkey body. The wings is much more delicious and I love it. It's not hard to eat, it's not hard to bite. So this is the best way to prepare your turkey wings, your pepper turkey or spicy turkey wings. Trust me, if you try this recipe, you're going to love it. I love it. That is why I am sharing it with you. I hope you enjoy watching this video so far. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your loved one. Don't forget to subscribe to Lola Emmanuel TV for more mouth-watering recipes. Okay? At this stage, I will go ahead by add the chopped spring onion with some bell pepper and sliced onion just to garnish this. And my pepper turkey is ready to eat. You can enjoy this with anything you want to enjoy it with. Mine is yam porridge. It's good for rice as well. Anything you like using chicken or meat to eat with, just use it. You're going to love it. Take one and we want to have more of it. So delicious and yummy. I'm just giving it a little stir so that the fresh onion can cook a little bit. Look at this, so beautiful and inviting. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.